Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up brackets on Quantower. In this walkthrough, we'll set up bracket orders so your positions can automatically include protective stop loss and profit target exits. This helps you manage risk and lock in gains without scrambling after you place an order. Start by opening Quantower. Give the platform a moment to load your workspaces and connections. If you're testing these settings for the first time, consider using a demo connection so you can explore safely. Next, look to the very top left of the platform and click the main Quantower menu. This is where you can open different panels and tools. From that menu, choose Chart. If you already have a chart open, you can use that. Otherwise, selecting Chart will open a new one. Make sure the symbol and time frame you want to trade are visible, and confirm your connection is active so the trading controls appear. Now move to the top right area of the chart where the trading toolbar resides. If you don't see it, look for a small toggle or toolbar icon on the chart header and enable the trading toolbar so the order controls and settings become visible. Within the trading toolbar, find the brackets control. It may currently display no brackets, which means bracket orders are disabled. Click that control to open the bracket options. Select Multi to activate multiple target brackets. Multi is useful when you want to scale out at different profit levels while keeping a coordinated stop. The platform will automatically link these exits as OCO, or one cancels the other, so when one target fills, the remaining linked orders adjust accordingly. If you still see no brackets after opening the control, click it again and confirm your selection. Sometimes the label reflects the previous state until you apply the new choice. Once Multi is active, you'll notice additional fields or tiers for targets and stops. Finally, turn on loss profit within the same trading controls. This enables the stop loss and take profit components of your brackets, so they're actually attached when you send an order. Depending on your layout, you may see inputs in ticks, points, pips, or price. Choose the units you're comfortable with and verify that the values reflect your risk plan before you trade live. That's it. You've opened Quantower, accessed the chart, revealed the trading toolbar, switched the bracket mode to multi, confirmed it's not set to no brackets, and turned on loss profit to activate the stop and target legs. As a tip, once you're happy with these settings, consider saving your chart layout so your bracket preferences load automatically next time.